So today we're going to do the flight test number 2 for my Big Piper Cherokee. It's a little less nose heavy compared to the last time I flew it because I put 4 pennies on each side. I took those out. As you can tell, it's a little windy. It's kind of weather vaning in my hand. So let's see if she flies.
Oh, you're trying to get lost.
I almost went for a hand catch, but I decided not to. It's pretty squirrely in the wind. It's pretty sheary, I'd say. It's kind of, you know, it's changing direction often. Definition of wind shear, according to the FAA, is any abrupt change in wind direction and or speed. We still have some power. Let's go for flight test number 3, 2 of the day, because the last time, you know, everything got fried after 1 lap. So this motor's a lot less powerful, but it's working.
Whoa. Bounce and go.
Yeah, that was my first miss of the year, but I missed. And smashy. I missed and it hit the ground. So I gotta say it was flying pretty wood. We can check out the carnage here. It definitely smashed the front end a bit. Let's put throttle cut on.
Oh!
Yes. As long as the motor still works, I'm sure it does. Yeah. See, I just bent it up. It'll be fine. In fact, I just bent it up. I bet you I could fly it just like that.
Let's go. Let's give it a go.
Okay. The whole thing just popped right out. I don't know how this camera, the Runcam 5 Orange, which does film at 4K, can be bought on Amazon. But it fell out the whole thing. Yet there's no holes anywhere where it fell out.
Funny.
Yeah. Tap. The light should blink. There we go. Blinking green light. That means that it's recording. Hopefully the footage is good. Oh, see, it's a little loose in there, actually. I see that now. I feel it's a little loose in there. And I got some plexiglass also.
That's interesting.
So we'll try that with the next build. And then I will probably finish the Cessna 337. And after that, for the new Top Gun movie, I'll be making an FA-18. Let's just do a nice squirrely crosswind landing. The wind is coming from basically this direction. So it's going to be a quartering front right.
Oh, nice.
Throttle cut on, even though my hand's right by the frog. Yeah, good job on showing up the throttle cut for safety, people. All right, sir. Shall we do another one? It's flying, even though it's heavily bent. It is bent a little down, I noticed. Throttle cut is on. Oh, I don't want to pull it too hard, but it doesn't really need much repairs. So, do you want to go for another one?
Sure, let's do that.
Okay. Oh, look at the pretty dog. Hi, husky dog. Okay, I'm also a dog trainer. You can find that channel at Kindly Canine Training, if you'd like. On YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and all that stuff. Okay, throttle cut off.
It died.
Yeah, the battery died. That's all we had. Go ahead and unplug it. So, yeah, crashed it again. The battery died. Like I used to say on Electro RC, fly it till it dies. So that's what we did. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one, and later on.